for a quick round of applause, please.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived.
And before anything else, I would like to grab this opportunity to thank Mr. Ronel Laurente, our official makeup artist for our debutant this evening, with his hairstylist na sila sa gawas, and of course, the Kukabuli catering services for our food tonight, and the Sturgis Beach Resort. And we would like also to thank, of course, the parents of our debutant. We have Mrs. Catherine Pubadora and Engineer Amado Pubadora. Ug sa tanan nga naa diri karon, daghan kaayong salamat ninyong tanan. Your presence is highly, truly appreciated.
I'm feeling sexy and free.
And of course, atong mga sponsors di ay para makuha ang atong celebration tonight. Successful. Thank you so much. Okay, so I believe we are ready for the second part of our program tonight. So let us now proceed to our 18 candles. So I am calling all the members of the 18 candles to please get ready. So these candles represent the guidelines, wisdom and love that the debutant has received from these women in her life. So each candle symbolizes support, encouragement, and celebration of a womanhood. Just as our candle provides life, this symbolizes a new beginning of our debutant as she steps into adulthood, filled with hope. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, first, to our Almighty God for having all these things happen. Sa mga mga donors or sa sponsors, kang Joseph Suralta for the lechon and the cake. Si iyang Tito Ninong Jade for pag-MC o pag-coordinate ani. Then si Ate Jenny Chloe for the video presentation. Sa members sa Blue Bills, thank you. Thank you also sa members sa Candles, sa Treasures, and the mga maayong manayaw sa Roses. And also thank you sa singers, sa singer na diay, kasi yung dayo sa si Nestle Patria from Manila pa dyan na siya. And then si Aldre sa Nagduyog, thank you kaayo. Sa makeup artist, si Ronel from Ormoc. Ako iyang hairstylist, si ako kailapon. And of course, the photographer, the Lorcan from Villaba. And thank you also sa mga cousins, sa kaniang mga lolo o lola ni Chloe, sa mga ninong o ninang, Mets, thank you for coming from Tacloban. Then, si Mama Bayang, ang mga igsoon ni Amado, mga igsoon sa akong mama, thank you kayo, nila Auntie Girlie Pod, ni Tito Bimbo, Tita Nini, thank you so much, Auntie Didi, Tita Darcy, Auntie Ita, isa pa, Kani jud si Talosi kay ingon jud siya dili ko na siya pero naa jud siya. Thank you kaayo. Tito Bimbo, thank you. From Baliti, from gikan sa Baliti, ang akong mga kauban, thank you kayo ninyo. Sa Gokabuli, si Harry Calye sa atong sounds, thank you. Gokabuli sa pagkaon o sa decoration. Thank you so much. And I am sorry for those wala na ko na-mention ha, pero I would like to say thank you, jud kaayo ninyong tanan. Actually, this debut of Chloe, adto tani sa Korea. Di ba Mami Noreen, ingon siya sa Korea? Unfortunately, wala man siya passport. Muna, naara siya sa Surgis, Palongpon, Korea. O niya na lang ko na siya mabiyahe after na lang ani katong mga bluebill mo ito yung ibiyahe. Anyway, Chloe, happy 18th birthday. No? Happy 18th birthday. I wish that you have many more birthdays to come. Good health always. And more blessings from God. And always remember that Mama, Papa, and Aman will always love you. We are here to support you and to guide whatever you want in your life. And I wish that all your dreams in life will be fulfilled and will become true. I love you forever.
Happy birthday, te. Basta, birthday lang. Wapa lang, Bermi.
Actually, nara ko yung usa ipangayo sa kang Chloe, no? Ang diploma lang, college diploma. Kay kanang nga diploma, nga kuan nga treasure mura na yamong ikahatag sa among sa amo isip ginigana, no? Kay kanang nga kuan kanang nga treasure dili na mailukan, dili na mailog si Aman kundi ikaw ra gyud. So mura na malipay na niya na.
So first of all, I would like to thank everyone for coming here tonight. It is such an honor and pleasure to celebrate this. And of course, since naingon naman ni Mama ang tanan, so ako na lang maingon is thank God for this. Thank you so much, guys. And I hope you all will have a great night ahead. Thank you.
Alright, so that ends our program tonight, ladies and gentlemen. So once again, in behalf of Chloe's family and of course Chloe, once again, we would like to thank everyone for coming and celebrating with us tonight. So this has been your host. My name is Jade. Maayong gabi ka natong tanan and let's enjoy the rest of the night. Daghang salamat.